Hello, hello. So in this video, I am going to quickly show you how to use a third-party service called LinkTree to add links in the bio and description of your Instagram profile so that you can easily showcase your offers, community, whatever it is that you have that you want to get people into, whether that's like a lead capture form, an email sign up page, whatever that is. And I strongly suggest, if you haven't already, going through my free training on to decide what is going to be your carrot, which your carrot is essentially the offer that is going to draw people in. This is also known as like a lead magnet. It'll be a little bit different. So if you are in a home-based business opportunity, for example, if you have a free trial or a free sample, that's one of the ideas that you would want to add to your link tree. If you are an influencer, obviously you would want to link to your YouTube channel, your newest blog post, with the goal of getting somebody onto your list or inside your community, however that looks. So what I want you to do is log into your Instagram profile on your desktop. You can do this on mobile, but this is not a mobile training, and I just prefer to do it on the desktop. So in the other, hold on, I'm putting my pen in my mouth here. So in the other tab, I want you to go to link.tree. And by the way, if you're like, oh my gosh, I can't remember all of these links and resources and trainings and yada, yada, if you go to my website, saramichaels.com, click on the resources tab. Everything that I ever mention in any of my videos, including everything I use in my business, from apps and products to branding and graphics to just literally everything, I include in a vault. And I did something insane and I just made it free for everyone. So the only thing is that you do have to add your email, which keeps out the spammers and scammers. So as long as you are not a spammer or scammer, you're fine. And you can access all this for free. So you would just literally log in and click on the setting that said Instagram, and it would give you all the links and stuff that I use with my Instagram. So, okay, so linktr.ee. So this is called a link tree. When I'm pulling it up in my profile, it'll look like this. Okay, and it'll say oh, newest blog post. I'm updating it today because I have my offers and stuff done. I'll show you what it looks like on my personal profile, by the way. So if I go to my Linktree for my personal profile here, you can see I have a couple of different ones. I'm currently running a Facebook event on the it's a free event talking about the changes and the updates that are big things happening with Facebook. In case you didn't hear, the news feed's disappearing. So I ran a free event on Facebook, and actually Instagram drove some traffic to that, which is awesome. I also put in here a work with me one-on-one client assessment and the link to my VIP membership community. So these are the different ones that I have set up for that. Okay, so for my co-creating queens, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in. And since I've already logged into my Instagram with the co-creating queens account, it'll automatically pick that up. Okay, so, and now I'm going to go ahead and delete this link. Now, Linktree is free. You can upgrade to Pro. I did it, and honestly, let me tell you this. There's some things that you can get around doing for free. This is not one of the things that I would have a Pro account for. I don't think you need it. Okay. On the Pro account, you can get rid of the link tree, and you can make some of your links do quake and shake, animations. Yeah, it's great. So if you're already, uber successful and you just want to throw some money around, that would be a great tax write-off. But when you're just getting started, it's not necessary. So what I want you to do is click on Add a New Button. I'm going to click VIP Community Membership Options, because I want people to be very clear what it is that I'm offering. Then I'm going to run over to my website. So I'm going to go back here, go back to the blog. Come on. Okay, we'll go like this. Here's the link. Okay, and then I'm going to copy this. I'm using my keyboard shortcuts, Command C here on the MacBook. And then I'm going to paste that link into URL, or into that Okay. So VIP community membership options. So when somebody understands like, hey, this is a membership-based community. All right. The next thing I'm going to add is a courses tab. And I'm going to go back here, grab the link. Okay, actually, I know it by heart, but just so you can see what I would be doing. If you do not have a website yet, okay, so if you don't have a website yet, number one, get in my course so that you can create a website. It is super, super simple. If you don't want to have a website, if you don't want to pay somebody to have a website, the course is your best option. I will walk you through literally my 10 years of expertise with, getting a website that not only looks pretty, but absolutely kicks ass, i.e. it turns your subscribers into buyers, or your browsers into buyers, I should say. Okay, because you can have the prettiest website in the world, but at the end of the day, if it's not getting people through your door or making you money, it's a waste of time and money. So that is the goal of my websites, and that's what I teach people how to do. So if you don't have a website yet, okay, and you are in a home-based business or something, that is where you would put the link for your business. So just off the top of my head, I know, for example, okay, so if I were going to go with one of my business affiliate links, let's see if I can remember. Okay, so if I were, because this is obviously what I use for my fitness. Okay, so if I were going to refer people, okay, and I had a home-based business opportunity, I would click on this, and it's like free membership. This does not require a website, and I would go ahead and put my link, like my business link, into that. Okay, that's my carrot. That's my lead magnet. If I don't have a website or I don't have an offer, I would link somebody to something on my Facebook business page. If you're in the beginning stages, you can absolutely 100% run your business directly from Facebook with no website. Okay, but obviously down the road, I do recommend getting a website. It is like the best tool that you could possibly have. But if you don't have one, like this, I just did work with Sara. Okay, I put my services up here. So if you're doing graphic design or you're literally doing anything like that, you can just direct somebody to your Facebook page. And Facebook is actually now starting it where they have like a store. And I do a Facebook business page training, by the way. So that's another course that you could get in on. But this is just the free training. I'm just showing you what the possibilities are if you have a website and if you don't have a website. So all right, let's go back to LinkTree because I feel like we went down the rabbit hole here. Okay, so I do have a website. I do have my courses listed on my website. So I would do HTTPS, which is what they want to see. That just means that it's a secure site. And I'm going to click on courses. And I'm actually going to bring this up first. And then I'm going to add a new button. So this is my carrot. So I'm going to say free resource vault. And I'm going to say influencers, boss babes, and entrepreneurs. And I know you're thinking, but Sara, what if there is a dude and he sees boss babes and he gets turned off? Let me tell you this. Know your target audience. Okay, know your target audience. When you are connecting with that person and talking as if you're talking to that person, you're going to have a higher conversion rate. And guys, I founded Co-Creating Queens. So obviously dudes are not my market. So I don't, and people are like, well, if you get too specific, you're going to, leave people out. That's fine. I'm like, I don't want guys in my group. So that's why I talk and I write as if I'm talking to one very, very specific audience. Okay. I'm going to go to SaraMyGoals.com. Resources. Yeah, I don't know what came over me to give that away for free, but whatever. I hope it's helpful to people. Let's see how that looks. I'm trying to get that on the second. I don't want that on that page. But anyways, can I do that? Does it let me do it? No, it's not letting me. Okay. So long story short, LinkTree is amazing for getting your different offers out there without like linking directly to your website. So it just makes it super easy, especially if you don't have a website yet. And then I'm going to go back here, refresh, and I'll show you how that looks. Uh-huh. Okay. All right. See, so free resource vault, VIP community, and courses. So those are the three things. And all of this is part of what we call the funnel. Okay. So your goal is always to attract somebody with whatever it is that you have. You attract them through your branding. You are interacting with them, and then you're upgrading them. So that is the process that you're walking people through from just being browsers or, connected on your free community on Instagram to upgrading them to a course, a VIP community, a paying. The goal is that you're not just getting followers here. The goal is that you're actually like getting paid. Okay. Because you can have the most, somebody could have 1 million followers on Instagram here and they ain't making crap for money because they are not going through the process of connecting and then converting. So that is the ultimate goal here. And just a little side note, you can kind of play around with the settings if you want to do like a different color. I just kept it classy with the black and white, which I like. If you want custom themes, upgrade to Pro. Again, I don't think it's worth it, but if you want to throw money around, be more than welcome to do that. So anyways, if you are catching this video on YouTube, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to that channel there for all of my free I'll just show you here. All of my free business trainings, tutorials, and tips are on my business channel here. So be sure to subscribe and I will put all of the links down in the description. I hope this video was helpful and I will see you in the next one. And just a shameless plug, by the way, if you are looking for one-on-one next level training and you're like, oh, I can't afford a course right now, that's totally fine. Hop into our VIP community. And you can find the link here in my LinkTree. It is $44 a month, which is like ridiculously affordable. You get 1 hour training every week live with a Q&A. So if you're like, I have questions, I want to know what to do, that's the perfect place to hop into. So anyways, I will see you in the next video. Bye.